All right, let's talk weather now. Bringing back 4029 meteorologist Robert Suhr. Saw a lot of white in that picture at the wedding event, and we're going to see a little white, a little more white later on.
You know, my cousin got married about this time last year in Pittsburgh in a snowstorm. Yeah.
So, well, if your wedding day is Wednesday, what?
We've got plenty of white for you on Wednesday,
right,
folks. So it's going to be a whiteout for the most part. Everything's going to be covered in white on Wednesday as we talk about our big winter storm that's on the way. For Tuesday and into Wednesday. We know that rain will change to a heavy wet snow at some point Tuesday afternoon and last through Wednesday. I think the worst of it will be sunset to sunrise Tuesday night and into Wednesday morning. Very hazardous travel looks possible. The exact track of the system, we're getting pretty close on where we think it's going to go, and the temperatures during the storm will greatly influence the exact snow amounts. And the models are still a little bit all over the place. There's our storm right now, just north of Phoenix, sliding through the Death Valley area. It's going to dip into Mexico and then come up through the Texas coast and then basically ride right up toward the Mississippi Delta near the Arklamis area, and then head up toward Memphis and Nashville. We'll be on the cold side of that storm as it makes its pass to our south, and that's the snowy side. So we got winter storm watches up. This starts Tuesday afternoon through 6 a.m. Wednesday. The furthest south it goes, Crawford, Franklin, and northern Johnson County. We'll see if this gets expanded to the south and west as more confidence in that snow is verified, but for the time being, mostly northwest Arkansas and southwest Missouri. We're in the 30s right now across northwest Arkansas, so pretty seasonable tonight. Lower 40s for the River Valley, so not bad as well. And we won't have a very bad night tonight, and tomorrow will be a great day. We'll see quick clearing of those skies. We'll see plenty of sunshine for probably the first half of your Monday. Then clouds will quickly build back in after that high pressure scoots by to our south. And then as we get toward Tuesday morning, we start to see that precipitation move in the form of rainfall. But as that rain falls, it'll cool the atmosphere and it should quickly change it over to snow. You see here by the lunch hour, possibly already seeing some snow in parts of Madison and Washington County. And then that rain could come down pretty heavy right as it changes over to snow. By the evening rush Tuesday, it could be all snow and it could be thumping snow. Keep that in mind. It could go from raining to a whiteout very, very quickly. Depends on how quickly that changes over. Still rain in the River Valley, but very heavy snowfall possibly for northwest Arkansas. That continues through the overnight hours as well, and then that system finally starts to pull away Wednesday morning when we're left with snow showers, snow flurries, those sorts of things. There is a heavy rain aspect to this. Overall, almost 2 inches of precipitation will fall. Some of that will be in the form of snow, so high confidence in that heavy snow, accumulating snow. Travel impacts on the ground and in the air. We're looking at a general 3 to 7 inches across northwest Arkansas as well as the Ouachitas. We will be tweaking this as we get closer to the event. These numbers could go up or down depending on the latest data. Higher amounts you get out into the mountains, Madison, Carroll, Newton, and Boone counties as well, pretty much east of Berryville. So we're getting way out there. And then River Valley, this might be the rip-off zone. I hate to say that, but that's very possible. And then into the Ouachitas, there could be some pretty big accumulations as well. We're still about 2 to 3 days out, so we're still honing in on that precipitation type location and totals. We get into tomorrow, then we start that what's called nowcasting, and we're finalizing everything. And that's when you got to make those preparations that you may need. Go get that rock salt or whatever from the store. 20s tonight, and we'll be in the 40s and lower 50s tomorrow. Like I said, pick of the week will be tomorrow. So get out and enjoy it if you can, because it's straight downhill as we get toward Tuesday and Wednesday. And as I said earlier, yeah, you're seeing a lightning bolt there because we could see a little bit of thunder snow Tuesday night and Wednesday if the conditions set up just the right way. The rest of the week looks fine. Plenty of time for us to shovel out. River Valley, Paul, the same thing. That rain changing to some snow Tuesday night and into Wednesday. You're going to want to check back with us online, on air as well, for the latest information on this storm as it draws near.